Abandoned in Detroit, checking out the abandoned. Right? Isn't she beautiful? Fisher Body Plant 21.
I'll get set up with my GoPro. And I'll take outside shots.
These are some jacked up lockers. These are some, wow.
One of those thingy pictures that it says to do is lockers.
Look at how rusted they are.
That's what I found rusted.
Look at how, you can't even move the doors because they're so rusted. Look, like they barely move.
Oh, got at a good angle.
Oh, like something fell on the top of them, man.
Yeah. You got numbers on this side.
Oh, there's one here. There's 7.
48, 46.
So these ones are open
43.
more. Wow.
46 was it right there. That's the age.
I found one that opened.
Yeah, it looks like something fell on these things. Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Kind of cool. We're walking through the dark machine. I can't see because Bonnie has the light, not me. Whoa, floor moved.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
We're following the train tracks. I almost tripped.
We're in the belly of the beast. Right, I'm in the belly of the beast.
That's what we walked through. Hello, Detroit. So this is the one that was cut off.
Oh, yeah.
No, I know, but
There's more right here.
this is gonna take us to the other side of it that we didn't go on last time. Because we didn't,
We go out on the roof.
yeah, we didn't go out on the roof.
Well, there's not much, guys.
Oh, it just ends here like the other one did. We need to get to the middle one then. Whoa, you can get out there though if you wanted. I don't know how safe it is. Wow, because there's stairs going out there. Take a look. Okay, so we're on top of the world. Or at least on top of Detroit. Whoa. Oh, this wind. We didn't come up here last time. That's for sure. Look at all that stuff down there. Huh? Whole nother other side of the fissure that we never saw. Trying to get a shot without Chris in it, but Chris keeps photobombing me.
Hi, Naomi.
Hi, Chris. Keep getting in my pictures, man.
I'm the guinea pig. If I fall in, you know not to.
I don't know when to stop walking. This is crazy. Oh, we could go over there. Maybe. I don't know. What's in here? Whole lot of nothing, nothing. Another door. There's an eyeball. Ooh. What? Where do those stairs go?
Probably a maintenance room. There.
Wow. This is a whole area that we never checked out last time. Because we were afraid to go out on the roof. It would be kind of cool to get to
Good
that.
thing about this, I just stay away from the water. As much as I want to go.
I know that sucks because I'd like to go to that little building there. She's afraid to. Where does that door take you? So this is what the proper people did.
Look all of it.
Roadblock, dead end.
Look at all that wood falling in.
Yeah,
That's
not
bad.
cool.
No, that's
Dang
very.
it, I was hoping there would be a way to get up top.
This is definitely much needed today. Oh.
Whoa. We just keep walking like, okay. Oh, this is cool. There's a building in there.
Oh, I saw that. No.
Nah. I don't know if I'm gonna cross that little section there though.
We might have to walk around. Seems like it's a roof over us.
I know, I don't know. Yeah, no, I'm good.